What is going on, everybody? My name is Freddie Finance. I'm a licensed financial advisor. I hold a Series 7, Series 66 Securities Industries Essentials, and my life and health insurance license. And in this video, I will be going over the 5 best travel credit cards that you can get today to start building points and then start traveling for less money. Credit cards have an interesting stereotype to them because a lot of people think credit card debt when they think of credit card or they think of overspending. But when Freddie Finance thinks of credit cards, he thinks of smart ways to utilize other people's money to do the things that you want to do. So before I get into these top 5 travel credit cards, I want to make it clear that if you haven't gotten a travel credit card yet, I would look for one that has a huge sign-up bonus in terms of miles. I know that American Airlines has a credit card that allows you to get 50,000 or 60,000 points or miles just for signing up for the credit card. That's a lot of travel. Coming in number 5, we have the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card. This one comes in at number 5 because it's best in terms of total value. You don't need a super high credit score to apply for it. The annual fee is only $95 a year. You get 60,000 points on signing up and 2x cashback on travel and then 3x cashback on dining. That's a credible deal. Included with the card are premium protection benefits in travel. That includes trip cancellation insurance, it includes rental car insurance, and lost luggage. So this is a great card to have, and it's a great beginner travel credit card to get if you're looking to travel and earn points. Coming at number 4, we have the Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. This one offers 75,000 miles upon sign up. It's only $95 a year for an annual fee, and the recommended credit is around 670 to 850. So you don't need to have a super high credit score, but you definitely need to have some sort of credit built up. Some of the best perks of this credit card include flying with any airline, staying at any hotel, anytime, no blackout dates, and you can transfer your miles. This card also gives you a $100 application credit to Global Entry or TSA PreCheck. This comes in so clutch when you're a little late to the airport or just don't want to wait through lines of TSA. The only con I want to mention of this card is that Capital One airline partners do not include any large US airlines. So just one caveat, but the benefits of this card outweigh that one con. Coming in at number 3 is my pride and joy card, the American Express Platinum. This card gives you 5 times points back on travel. You earn 100,000 points upon signing up, and the credit score requirement is not too high either. It's 670 to 850, but the annual fee is hiked up to $695 a year. The $695 fee that I pay for this credit card is so minimal compared to all the benefits, and travel is just a portion of what this card offers. So since this video is about travel credit cards, I'm going to stick to the travel benefits of this card. I get access to over 1,200 airport lounges. The American Express Century Lounge to be exact. So I get unlimited drinks there of alcohol or regular. They have buffets of incredible food. So it literally makes traveling such a luxury because I'm able to stuff myself and drink my sorrows away. Another great perk of this card is that you get a US Uber credit for each month. I get $20 a month added to my Uber account for either food or Uber rides. And the concierge service that this card offers makes me feel like an A-list Forbes Top 100 celebrity. And I'm not that. You get a $200 statement credit on prepaid fine hotels and resorts. You get $240 statement credit on a digital entertainment credit, which means that you're able to, I guess, get money back for paying for ESPN Plus or Audible, Disney Plus, streaming services like that. And you get a $200 airline credit fee. So if you're checking in a bag or anything else that you're adding on to your airline ticket, you get $200 back throughout the year just for having the card. I mean, I'm going to cut off the benefits there because there's more for this card and I need to do 2 other cards. So great card. Coming in at 2, we have the Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card. This one only has a $395 annual fee. You get 2 to 10 times cash back on certain categories, 75,000 miles upon signing up, and your credit needs to be at least 740. Keep in mind that you get the 75,000 bonus miles after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months, but with the $395 annual fee, this card undercuts other credit cards compared to the value it provides in terms of benefits. another icing on the cake for this card is that every year you renew the credit card, you get another $10,000 or another 10,000 mile bonus credit to your statements, and that's basically just free travel every year. And the last benefit that I want to mention about this card is the $300 statement credit to airline charges. But keep in mind, this is only applicable to airline purchases that are made through the Capital One Travel website. But I had to add this in because it kind of one-ups the American Express card because they only offer $200 and this one offers $300, so that's a little better. And now finally coming in at number 1, we have the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. Remember, number 5 was the Chase Preferred, and then this one is Sapphire. The Sapphire Reserve has a $550 annual fee. The credit requirement is a little high. It starts at $740. You get 60,000 points upon signing up, and then the cash rewards are pretty intense with 1 to 10% cash back on certain categories. The Chase Sapphire Reserve offers a $300 travel credit bonus on dining, travel, and other benefits that make this card very lucrative to have in your wallet. Other benefits include access to Chase Ultimate Rewards hotel and travel partners, which are quite extensive. You get 50% more value when you redeem your points directly through Chase. So that's more free travel. This card really makes sense for people that travel quite frequently because all the major benefits in the Chase Sapphire are travel related. So if you're gonna get this credit card and not travel as much, the $550 annual fee is probably not gonna be worth it for you. So I really hope that this video excites you guys to start traveling, excites you guys to start looking for travel credit cards to earn more travel, more points, and benefits. So my name is Freddie Finance. If you learned something new about travel credit cards, throw me a like, throw me a subscribe, hit a share, and I'll catch you guys next time.